Okay, so good evening. So this is a video of how to rank your videos on YouTube as high as possible. So it may be quite difficult, but it's a lot easier than you actually think. So this is vidIQ, links in description. You can pay for it monthly, which certainly consider upgrading, because when you go through this video with me, it gives you so many keywords, but on the free version, but with the page you get a lot more. So maybe you're doing a video about games. Made me think of that because it's right in front of me. Or it might be weight loss, or it might even be affiliate marketing. Just one of the videos that came to my head because I've done it recently myself. A video on in ClickBank, which is mainly affiliate marketing. So there's quite a lot of things on this like upgrade and things like that. But we're going to go to keywords, and you can search. So you sync your channel to it, which I've got, and then you can play about with it and think, what would I call the title of the video? So let's say it was ClickBank affiliate. Keyboard's broke, the T doesn't work, so bizarre. But everything else does, so we put that in, and let's see what it comes out with. So that's saying that's actually competition low. So what this here is the amount of searches it gets a month. So we can actually use that because at low it means it's likelihood that would rank for that. So go to Notepad, just open up a new tab. So that would be the title, ClickBank affiliate marketing. I might even put 2025. We're going to use ChatGPT as well to do a video, and then we want some more keywords. So we've got related. So we click on ClickBank affiliate marketing for beginners. But if to use that, this isn't the title. Already got our title there, which is there. So this is other keywords that you would have in the description. But if we chose that, it's kind of it might not rank. It's kind of like 50-50 medium. So maybe not use that one, and then affiliate marketing again, so maybe not use that either. How to get started affiliate marketing, that's also medium. So let's see, affiliate marketing without a website, so that would be one that we could actually use. Can do some with ChatGPT as well, which is quite interesting. So we've got that. I could probably use that one. It's not that we couldn't use the medium ones, it's just it's kind of like a 50-50. It might rank, it might not. So we'll try and find out some more. Well, the way there's another one there. What's that called? Can you do affiliate marketing without a website and domain name? So we could use that as well. As I say, if you pay for this service, which you upgrade, it would, instead of giving you 3 or 4 choices, it would give you a lot more. So there's not anything matching, so we could go back to, we could even type in ClickBank. So there it's ClickBank. We could use that one as well. Just get like 3 or 4. Never thought of using that. Best ClickBank to promote. So they're getting very low. We could use that. So I've got a couple of keywords in the title we've got, and then some keywords. When you do post this video, It's easier to go into your phone if you use YouTube Studio or even just edit video. There's a section that says add keywords, so these are the exact keywords that you would add. You don't need to put in the hashtag or anything like that. So we've got all that. We don't really need vidIQ for this video. So we go to ChatGPT, so which is really good. It's a computer, it's quite an advanced computer to be honest, and this is what we would do. So you would say, please write a YouTube description ranking the video for the keyword, which we just go into our notes. What's that? And using what we write, so you write for the keyword in, we would write actually the, let's see, the title in description with the following keywords, and then go back to our notes and just copy them in just now. Get rid of that, and the, let's see, the best keyboard report related keywords. It's so annoying that see, we'll rank this video. And then it writes it, and that's it. Does it really well, and then you would just copy that in. You wouldn't, you could put that in the description, but you're going to copy them all and go into your phone once you uploaded the video and edit, and there's a bit that says keywords, and you put every single one of them in, and there it's got it there, and just say that you're doing a video at ClickBank, but you've got a product you're promoting. Just say it was a health product. This is how you would end it. You would write this. Write a great call to action about check this health product. It will help you lose weight, and then it's going to write it, could be anything, and then you've got that there. You copy that in the link, and then you'd put your link, polls.com, or just making that up, but and then you would save it and add the keywords, and that is how you would rank your video using vidIQ. So it gives you a wee starting point with some keywords, but if you did upgrade to this service, then you're going to get a lot more. I think there's different levels. It's worth considering, but maybe you don't have a business or you want to have one. Well, we've got a boot camp and a community just different from anything else you'll ever see, so take a look at that, and that link will be in the description also. We hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye for now.